Did you guys did you guys know about this? I definitely did not know that Smosh had a magazine. It's actually kind of cool. Well, you can't see me anymore. And just saw that, so that's pretty interesting. I didn't know that Smosh had a magazine. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, come on, you gonna stop as soon as I turn the camera on?
Yes, because we're not first for camera shots.
I guess so.
Oh, they really are looking.
Running away from the camera? Going up the ladder?
Look at that.
What?
Capturing parts of my soul. And I can't get out of here. There's no way out.
Probably freak out if I like took a picture with a flash.
No, what was that?
Maybe this could be classified as animal cruelty, I don't know.
Keeping an eye on that thing with my eyes, and I trust that.
You must have a bad experiences with cameras. I think these things are just scared of people. I don't know how you get them out of here without like all of them flying away.
Yeah, because here's the door.
Yeah.
That one seems to have a foot problem.
Oh, yep.
Pigeons in Hartford look like that.
If you like this video, hit the yellow button. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe. If you like this video, I will love you so.